In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can publish a map here in Fortnite. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Begin by obviously opening up Fortnite, and you're going to want to scroll down to the Discover section right here and just go ahead and search specifically for creative, just like so. Hit enter. It's going to then load for a second, and you're going to want to select creative, just like so. Go ahead and open this up and get loaded into creative by hitting play, just like so, and then it's going to start looking for a server. Once you get loaded in, go ahead and walk up to one of these consoles right here and choose create new island or load into one that you've already made, and then build the map however you'd like. We're just going to use this one for this Fall Guys video that I made forever ago, just with this example Fall Guys map that I went ahead and made. But when your island is ready, just hit escape or open up the menu on console and find the island settings option on here. Go ahead and select this, and inside your island settings, go ahead and see the option that says want to learn how to publish. Go ahead and choose that. When you select this, it's then going to automatically open up a page that looks like this, or it's going to pop up with a QR code that takes you to a website where you need to sign up and apply. Select that, sign up. I'm actually already a part of this program, so I'm going to go ahead and hit login instead. Just keep in mind that your account is going to have to be at least 30 days old, and you're going to have to at least spend 7 of the last 30 days editing in Fortnite Creative, or have spent at least 73 USD in Fortnite in the last 90 days. You could also be verified as an adult or be in a supported region. And if you don't meet these, you will not be eligible yet. And you can check the eligibility section in this check eligibility option. But once approved, you can publish your own islands, get an island code, and earn engagement payouts all through this section right here in the projects tab, just like so. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out. Let's know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.